This Windermere Real Estate / Whatcom Incorporated property video is presented by Christine Johnson Cicchitti. Ferndale's newest development with only 18 lots. Home is 2,500 square feet with 5 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms. Open floor plan with stone gas fireplace in the living room. Elegant kitchen includes quartz countertops, double fridge/freezer, cooktop and wall oven, soft close cabinets, walk-in pantry. Large master with a walk-in closet, bathroom with walk-in tiled shower and under cabinet lighting. Double decks out the back and upper deck is off the master. Home is a pre-sale and has not been started. For more information, review the details below.